Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these savoury cheese and bacon hot cross buns. Let's begin. So to start on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your bread flour along with the salt and give it a brief mix just until the two are incorporated. Then you can go ahead and start to add the remaining ingredients like your egg, your butter, your sugar, the water and yeast, and then you'll just want to mix it on a low speed until a dough forms. And then you can go ahead and add in the bacon and the cheese and mix until that is fairly distributed throughout the dough. Once the dough is ready, you'll want to flour your surface with some bread flour and then just place the dough onto it and then just give it a brief knead until it's smooth and elastic. You can then go ahead and bring the dough into a ball shape and then place into a lightly oiled bowl covered with cling film and allow it to proof for around an hour, and then after the hour, or once it's doubled in size, you can then knock the dough back, and this is just a process of removing the gases that are built up in the dough during the first proof. Then you can start to scale your dough off, so you take your total amount of dough weight and divide that by 12, and then it should work out, and I got 90 for each hot cross bun. Then you just want to take your 90-gram balls and just round them off with your hand and on the work surface and place onto a baking tray, leaving them close enough together that they'll batch up while baking, but not too close that they'll ruin each other. Then proof for the second time. Then you can start to make the crust paste. The crust paste is really easy. Into a bowl add some bread flour and some water and just mix until you have a paste which is thick but pliable. So here are what the hot cross buns look like after the second proof, and just before you put them in the oven you'll want to pipe over the crust, which you'll easily do if you put your mixture into a piping bag. Make sure that you're piping diagonally and vertically, just so you've got that perfect cross on there. It should look like a crucifix or a plus sign, whichever you want to see it as. So this is where the video ends, as I forgot to record anything after piping the crosses on top of the hot cross buns, but you'll then want to place these in the oven and bake them off. All of that information will be in a blog post, which I will leave linked down below. And don't forget, if you enjoyed the recipe, to leave me a like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again on Thursday with another video for you, so join me then. But in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, as there'll be links to my blog, or a direct recipe link to this recipe, along with all my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me on there. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.